This is Motorola Edge 40 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first order of business is to find and launch the calendar app. After that, select the date that you would like to create an event on. So let's say I'll go with 28th of April. Then, it turned out to be 28th of May, but whatever. Then tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, and add all the event details that you want, such as its title or name, time frames, repetitiveness, other people that might attend the event in question. You can also add the link to the video conference, add location where this event will take place at, then set up your notifications or reminding preferences. Pick the color for this event to stand out from other keyboard entries or other keyboard events you might have. You can also write some brief description if needed or attach a file. Then hit the save button to your top right to save the event, and here you can see it at the calendar. By tapping at it, you will obviously see the details of the saved event. You can edit those details by tapping at the pencil icon and, delete an event entirely like so if needed. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.